Hey everybody, we're here, we're back. It's been a year that we've been on the road. I can't believe it, 2020 was great for us. We had a great year. I know it's a COVID year, but it's our first year on the road, and we'll have a video which summarizes all of that. That's coming up soon. But first, we want to talk to you about our RV.
And what we did. Our daughter said to us, if we have nothing to do for 24 hours, in 24 hours and 1 minute, we'll find a project. And we did.
So we bought this lovely RV last year. It was in great condition. The previous owners did a wonderful job. And by the way, if you're looking to buy an RV, always look for one that's really well kept inside. Because if the inside's kept well, then the outside's going to be kept well too, generally speaking. But that's not always true. But it's a good indication. And in our case, this one was really nice, but it wasn't quite what we wanted.
It was old. Yeah, we're going to show you what we did.
Yeah. So here we go.
Rob researched for a year, and finally we found an '06 National RV Tropical diesel pusher. But it was a 2006. It was older. It needed a refreshing, and it needed to become our place. So we worked on it little by little until we finally made our nest the best. Now, the first things we changed was the outdated stereo system and backup camera. We got a Kenwood system that was complete with everything. It's fabulous. So my pet peeve was the drapes that they used to close off the front of the RV. They were old and stained. We tried to dye them, but it just didn't work. So we came up with this. Great pull-down shades for the sides of the RV. The front window was too curved to use them, so we put up the silver reflective material, and it's fabulous. The flooring in the vehicle was gorgeous, but one of the things that really bothered us was the big screen TV. It was very uncomfortable to sit in the captain chairs in the very front, right underneath the TV. So we took it out and replaced it with these beautiful pictures. The only thing is the pictures were so stark in their coloring that I had to do a little dabbing of color for myself. Rob really didn't like the window treatments, but I didn't mind them. I just thought they needed to be brightened up. So I found some beautiful fabric and was able to redo them. We added some bright yellow sunflowers to the couch and some dark green pillows. As you can see, our cat Bella loves the whole new look. Behind the kitchen sink is a space that they used to have a chair in, but we didn't like a chair there. At first, we put our cat supplies there. So what we found we needed when we were on the road was a place to do work. So Rob and our son-in-law Dave built this fabulous computer desk that solved two problems with one. First of all, we can use it as a computer when we want to, and then at night, we can raise the TV and watch TV sitting together on the couch. It was perfect. And the butcher block was so pretty that we carried the theme throughout the motorhome. What is it about a woman in her kitchen? Our microwave broke like right away. So instead of getting a normal microwave, like most people do, we decided to get a bigger and better one. Talked to Rob and our son-in-law about how long that took. Notice the little fold-down table that's supposed to extend the counter? Well, it was terrible. So we made a better one. Of course, we used the butcher block that we used on the desk, and it became fabulous. So now we have a much bigger, much sturdier extension. I thought the backsplash on the kitchen counter was ghastly. So we decided to go to Home Depot and see what we could find. We found this really nice, very thin rock that we could put up. I had to keep the key hooks. I love them. So you may have noticed from previous pictures, one of the first things we did was to take the wood out and make it white, which we loved. We like the idea of a dinette because we have people that come and stay with us. The table was made of a very thin melamine that was damaged in the installation of the microwave. So we made it out of the butcher block that we had made the desk out of, and then brightened the sofa cushions with the fabric and the bright yellow sunflowers. It's very sturdy, and it changed the whole look of the dinette set. The only thing we did in the bathroom was the paint, but it looked so much brighter and so nicer. Rob and I are very picky about our beds, so we got a box spring to put under the mattress that they had. It was a brand new mattress, so it was good. But then, of course, we had to get the pillow topper. And I made a bedspread, like an RV bedspread, that exactly fits the mattress. It just looks so much neater. They had a TV in the bedroom, which Rob and I don't really use. What we needed was storage space. So we put the storage space in and love it. Rob did have a great idea for some late night viewing if we really feel like it. Look at this.
Okay, so that's it. That's all the upgrades.
That's what we did.
Yeah.
All done. And now we need to learn how to retire.
Yeah, I'll probably get a haircut too.
We'll put out the year videos soon. Thank you all. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.